Hello, I am Zoe Yonke, and my major is interdisciplinary studies with the concentration of media entrepreneurship. So today I will be demonstrating how to work with horizontal tables in Excel on a Windows computer. First things first, we have our zip code already entered. We have 30004, and this is going to help us obtain our information for this file. Our first step will start to include our lookup functions. In cell B4, I'm going to demonstrate the HLOOKUP function to determine the city associated with the zip code in cell B3. We are going to go to cell B4 and we're going to go ahead and we're going to enter our HLOOKUP function. We're going to open our parentheses. We're going to put in the value B3 for the lookup value. For our table array, we're going to put in C11 to CZ12. For our row index number, we're going to enter 2. And for our range lookup, we're going to go ahead and enter false since we want an exact match. I'm going to close our parentheses, press enter, and we should get Alpharetta in B4. For the next part, we're going to demonstrate the XLOOKUP function to determine the county for the city identified in cell B4. In cell B5, we're going to use our XLOOKUP function. We're going to open our parentheses. We're going to enter B4 for our lookup value. For our lookup array, we're going to put in C12 to CZ12. And for our return array, we're going to enter C10 to CZ10. And after closing our parentheses and pressing enter, we should get Fulton County in cell B5. For the next part, in cell B6, we are going to use the SUMIF function to determine the number of tax filers in the county identified in cell B5. We're going to go ahead and we're going to enter our SUMIF function. Oops, forgot my equal sign. We're going to open our parentheses, and for our range, we're going to enter C10 to CZ10. Our criteria is going to be B5. And then our sum range is going to be C14 to CZ14. We're going to close our parentheses and we're going to go ahead and press enter. And after pressing enter, you should get a value of 498,210. Now, say we wanted to try a different zip code. Let's go ahead and go to B3 and we're going to enter 30019 as our new zip code, and we're going to press enter. As you can see, our city has changed to Decula, our county has changed to Gwinnett County, and our tax filers has also changed to 384,710. Lastly, I'm going to demonstrate a horizontal sort for the horizontal table using the custom sort function. I'm going to sort the table Z to A using row 10, but without moving the row labels in column B here. To do this, we're going to select our data. We're going to select C10 all the way over to CZ16. After selecting all of your data, you're going to come up to your ribbon and you're going to select data. You're going to come over to where it says sort. You're going to click sort and a box should pop up. For your sort by, we're going to use row 10. Go ahead and select row 10. For sort on, we want to make sure that it says cell values. And for our order, we're going to change it from A to Z to Z to A. After having this, we're going to go ahead and press OK. And as you see, it has changed our data from Z to A. We have now completed and demonstrated how to work with horizontal tables in Excel with using different functions. I hope this video was educational. Make sure you save your work.